A bit of ice in a cup. So after I've added ice about halfway, maybe a little bit less, I will add some oat milk. If you did enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up so I know that you like it, and also comment something down below. Maybe let me know if you'll try this out, and if you do try this out, please do tag me in it on Twitter or Instagram or whatever. I always love chatting to you guys on there. And yeah, here are the shout outs for today's video. I love you all so much, and I've also got my YouTube play button. It's up there. I've actually got the YouTube letter they sent me in front of it so you can't see it, which is, let me just remove that. Are you ready? You like can't even see it, but you can kind of see it. My YouTube play button, it's there, guys. I'm just forever thankful for you, and you all know that without you that thing wouldn't be in my room. And you know, like, I'm not a materialistic girl, but
don't know where I'm going with this, but I really love that thing,
so thank you. Honestly, I love it more than you, and now that I've got it, I can quit YouTube, so bye. This will be the last video you ever see from me. Jokes. I would never do that to you. No, for real. You guys are the best thing. I love you all so much. You make it possible for me to do what I love, and yeah, it's been 8 years. 7 years. I think it's been a minute, so thank you. I really hope you try this out now. Peace. I love this sound. Isn't this like ASMR?
I know you like it.
Okay, I love you all so much, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye! Oh, one more thing. Don't forget to follow my socials. They'll be on the screen and in the description box. Oh, my straw matches my top. Oh, fuck. Honestly, here I am trying to make an aesthetically pleasing video, and that happens.